In this video, let us see whether this particular product will help with controlling acne on the skin as they have claimed. I have been using this product from 3 to 4 months now. I want to mention 3 important things about this product, so stay tuned till the end. Hi, I'm Anusha. I make beauty related content. If this is something that interests you, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I am going to be reviewing the Breakout Control Serum from this brand Deconstruct. Actually, I have made a video on this particular product that is more of like a first impressions. I have made that video after using like 3 weeks of this product. Now you can say I have gone through 2 bottles of this product, and so I have my final opinions and impressions formed on this product. Actually, this product comes in 2 different sizes. One is 15 ml packaging and the other one is 30 ml packaging. It retails for $4.99 for 15 ml of product and $7.99 for 30 ml of product. And the product is fragrance free and sulfate and paraben free. It is an azelaic acid based serum. It has very beautiful texture. It will get absorbed into the skin so beautifully. Even if you have oily skin or dry skin or combination skin, whatever it is, it will work on your skin. It says Breakout Control Serum. Let's see if it stands true to its name, that is whether it helps to control breakouts or not. I have used this product for around 3 to 4 months. Now coming to the actual ingredients of the product, it is a water based serum, so it has obviously aqua as base of the product. Then the next ingredient is glycerin. Glycerin is a good humectant, so we can expect good amount of hydration from this particular serum. Then we have chamomile flower extract. Chamomile flower is known for its soothing properties on the skin. Then we have potassium azelaicyl diglycinate. It is the main active that is used in this serum. It is a water-based derivative of azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is a very good ingredient when it comes to reduction of redness or inflammation on the skin. It helps with acne on the skin, it helps with sebum reduction, and it helps with hyperpigmentation on the skin. It is a multi-purpose ingredient. It is considered to be safe when you are pregnant or lactating also, but don't count on my word. Whatever skincare you are using when you are pregnant or lactating, please take a permission from your doctor, then only put any product on your skin. And then we have good antioxidants like green tea leaf extract and neem extracts. Both acts as good antioxidants and skin soothing ingredients. Actually, we have 3 ingredients. I cannot pronounce them frankly. Actually, these particular 3 ingredients support skin barrier function by promoting the ceramide synthesis on the skin. Ceramides are very helpful for skin barrier function. And we have also got probiotic lactococcus ferment lysate, even though in very little concentration, but this particular ingredient will help with the skin barrier function. So if we look at the overall formulation, this has azelaic acid in 3.3% concentrations that help with redness and inflammation on the skin. And we have also got some good barrier supportive ingredients along with some antioxidant support. So the overall formulation is very good. Now coming to my experience with this product claims to reduce acne breakouts and helps fade dark spots. I have noticed 3 important things after using this product. First of all, the immediate effect that we are gonna see within 3 to 4 days of application of this product is it will help to reduce redness and inflammation on the skin drastically. Like within 3 to 4 days, you can see that the redness and inflammation is going down. You can see a visible brightness on the skin when you use this serum at night. By morning, you can see a visible brightness and glow on your skin. And with prolonged use, like if you have used this serum for more than 1.5 months, then you can clearly notice that your acne marks are fading away. And one more important thing that I have noticed while using this product is if I get acne breakouts also, the marks that they are leaving are not that prominent. For someone like me who deals with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation more than the acne itself, it is like a great help. So I'll continue using this product. So this is a product that is really helpful for someone who is looking for some good support with regards to acne. So if you are suffering from acne, redness or inflammation, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or acne marks, this is the product you definitely need to include in your skincare routine. It is safe to be used both daytime and night time. It is not like a retinol that you cannot not use in the morning time. It is not photosensitive, so you can happily use this product in the daytime also. It definitely stands true to its name. And coming to the Deconstruct as a brand, they are putting so much thought and effort in their formulations. Actually, they have very cute little product library, but the formulations are really good. Like they came up with an azelaic acid serum, and they have niacinamide mixed with alpha arbutin, and they have salicylic acid mixed with niacinamide. So these formulations are quite unique. Actually, I am very much impressed with this product, and I have bought 3 products from them. Currently I am testing them. My first impressions are good, but I'll put out a review when I have tested them thoroughly. So yeah, that is my review of Deconstruct Breakout Control Serum. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like it, also share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.